Introduction. Are mobile autofill features unsafe?
Many people worry that using autofill on their phones puts their passwords at risk. In this video, we'll separate fact from fiction about mobile autofill. Discover whether these features actually undermine your security, and learn how they really work.
Myth 1. Autofill stores passwords in plain text.
A common myth claims autofill saves your passwords as plain, readable text. In reality, trusted mobile autofill tools encrypt your data, making it inaccessible without your device credentials. Security's built in, so passwords aren't just sitting there waiting to be stolen.
Myth 2. Autofill makes phishing attacks easier.
Some believe autofill increases the chance of falling for phishing scams. While autofill does speed up login, most reputable password managers check website or app addresses before filling in credentials, helping you avoid entering passwords on fake sites.
Myth 3. Anyone holding my phone can use autofill.
People worry that if someone gets their phone, all passwords are up for grabs. In fact, mobile autofill usually requires biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or face scan, or a device passcode before filling credentials. This extra layer protects your accounts even if your phone is stolen.
How to use autofill safely.
To keep autofill secure, use only trusted password managers from your device's app store. Enable lock screen security, update your device regularly, and turn on additional protections like two-factor authentication. When these steps are combined, autofill becomes a safer, not riskier option.
Conclusion. The truth about mobile, autofill, and password safety.
Mobile autofill features, when set up correctly, do not make your passwords inherently unsafe. Encryption, authentication, and app safeguards work together to protect your information. With a few smart habits, you can safely enjoy the convenience autofill offers without compromising security.